Hi, I'm John Blyton at Chief Headquarters in Madison, Indiana. I'm going to show you the benefits and how to use Chief's new Rivet Gun. Chief's Rivet Gun is a pneumatic hydraulic system for riveting, punching, and pressing our self-piercing rivets. The Rivet Gun is lightweight, highly efficient, and it's easy to use. First, install the air fitting. Now, connect the hydraulic hose to the riveting unit. Next, connect the caps together to prevent contamination. Now, connect the blue and the black air hoses to the unit, pushing them into the proper holes. Next, on the rivet gun, attach the C-arm attachment to the piston. Then insert the locking pin. Now, attach the hydraulic hose to the rivet gun. Connect the caps to prevent contamination. Next, connect the air hoses to the rivet gun in their proper holes. Attach the extension by screwing it into the C-arm attachment and tightening with the wrench tool. Screw the correct bottom mandrel into the extension, then tighten with the wrenches. Insert the screw, then use screwdriver to hold in place while attaching the correct top mandrel onto the gun. Now, connect your air line to the riveting unit. To begin riveting, place a rivet into the gun. Position the gun on the work area needing riveted. Then squeeze the trigger, releasing only after the pump stops. Our new rivet gun is the perfect, lightweight, easy to use, highly efficient solution for completing all of your common riveting, punching, and pressing needs. For more information on this and other quality equipment, go to chiefautomotive.com.